We were supposed to come home to our peaceful house after a wonderful week away visiting family in North Carolina. Instead, we walked into our absolute worst nightmare. Water was everywhere, our beautiful hardwood floors were completely buckled, the kitchen cabinets were soaked through, and there was this awful, musty smell already starting to develop throughout the house. A pipe had burst behind our kitchen wall while we were gone, and it had been flowing for almost 4 days straight. Our home watch person caught it when they came for their weekly check, thank God, but the damage was already so extensive. I was honestly in complete panic mode about mold growth, about dealing with insurance claims, about whether we'd ever get our home back to the way it was. I had no idea where to even start. Then RestoPros showed up within 2 hours of our call, and I immediately felt this huge wave of relief wash over me. The team leader walked us through exactly what they were going to do, step by step. They worked directly with our insurance company from day one, which took such a massive burden off our shoulders. They had these industrial-strength fans and dehumidifiers running around the clock, and they checked the moisture levels every single day with these special meters. In just 4 days, everything was completely dry and safe again. They didn't just save our home, they honestly saved my sanity too. I can't recommend RestoPros of Southwest Florida enough to anyone facing this kind of disaster.